more gang? We gang. It's a gang thing, and I'm back with another freaking video. Okay, so today is Tuesday, December the 14th, I believe. And right now, me and my business partner are working hard. We are finding our way. So she created this community for mommies called Mommy 2.0, and I'm so glad that God put her in my life, y'all. I'm so blessed. So right now we are at one of our clients' house. It's an Airbnb rental, and we are basically cleaning up the house, straightening it up, the usual before it is rented out. That is what we do. So we're here now. I'm just gonna give y'all a little small walkthrough for our content because we will be posting a lot more. So yeah, y'all, this is the front door and the kitchen. We have to do the kitchen area. That's the laundry room. This is the bathroom that I'm in right now cleaning. This is the closet. It's very huge. Yeah, like I said, this is the bathroom. Hey guys. And this is one of the rooms. It's very pretty. It's blue. You can't really see it because of the let me show you guys. So yeah, this is one room. Across the hall is another, and I'll show you guys the living room in a few. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take these gloves off. I wanted to clean with gloves because it's more sanitary, but yeah. Normally we would have our gloves and stuff, but this is kind of sort of like last minute, so we didn't really get to like plan it out or have everything that we needed. But this is like day one of this journey, so we are doing this content so that when we look back on it next year around this time, we'll see our growth. We'll see our growth. He's sitting down. And being obedient. If she said sit down, sit down. What's wrong? You got pee? Okay, come here. It's okay. I'm not done cleaning it. Come use the bathroom. Come on. Okay. Yeah, you are gonna stand up. Hold on, let me pause the video. Yo, hold on. But yeah, guys, we're doing this so that when we look back on it next year around this time, we just want to see how much we grew from now till then. And I know it's gonna be a lot because we are so motivated and driven to get it together and get it right for our babies that we know it's gonna come into place soon. It's gonna get better for us. It's gonna soon be our reality. All of our dreams and goals will soon be our reality. So, you know, we just being patient, waiting on our moment. And you gotta start somewhere. So this is our start. What you doing, recording? Yep.
Okay, listen, let me tell you. Let me tell all of y'all. Let me tell you, so the girl who gave me this assignment, she just said they got another Airbnb around the corner.
Okay, look.
And she was like, so if we do this one good and make it look nice,
yes,
and finish in time, then we might be able to go get the other Airbnb too. And she said something about they was getting ready to shut the other Airbnb down. I said, wait a minute, don't shut it down, don't shut it down, because I can run it for you.
Amen.
I can run it for you.
Yes.
Infinity Property Solutions, baby.
Yes, thank you, Lord.
It's gonna run it for you. So yes, let's just make sure that we are praying and affirming while we are working.
Yes.
And let's just try to do it. I'm gonna try to work a little bit faster.
Thank you, Lord. That is a
But she loves cleaning more than I do. Make sure I make that very clear to everybody.
We in this together.
I do it with Harmony on my back, but
we get a little hot, man. Girl, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Oh my goodness, that was a blessing. I'm telling you, when you do right by people, your blessings pour in. That is crazy, y'all. It's not crazy, but that is God, y'all. That is God. I'm telling you, when you on the right path and you doing right by people and you are genuinely trying to, you know, working hard, putting your best foot forward, I'm telling you, the blessings just start coming in. That is so good. I just can't wait till next year around this time so we look back on this and be like, dang, we came a long way. You ain't lying. I can't wait to be like, yes, we came a long way. For real. Girl, I'm telling you, this was gonna get our feet in the door. It was just a lot of hair, that's all. She's like, dang, who was shaving? Oh, I'm hungry. I might put some more sausage in right here. So yeah, go sit down. Do not get up no more. If you get up and come back in here, you can get in trouble. So come back in here. Now while I'm cleaning, I'm almost finished with this bathroom
Now you gotta go do the other one.
Y'all, okay, so this is the idea that I got. I want to have our cleaning business where we also have like situations like Airbnbs. I want to be able to have like small decor, you know, to leave as our signature. Like, this is how you know we clean y'all Airbnb or y'all place because of the decorations we put in. You know, like little things like this, like the Q-tip holders or the napkin holders, something, you know, to just add a little bit of your touch to it. That's one of the things that I want to do because I'm pretty sure no matter what it is, people love free stuff. So hey, what's adding a decoration gonna hurt? If you don't want it, you can throw it away, sell it or whatever, but I want to like have something to add my own little touch to it. But yeah, I want to have something that I can add my own little touch to. I want to buy stuff like this, like this says makeup towels. I just want to do things that's gonna set our brand and our business apart from everybody else. I want to create things that's gonna make the client or the customer say or choose us out of everybody. That is a blessing, y'all. That is a blessing. God is so good. Like, y'all don't even understand. Y'all probably do understand, but y'all don't understand. Like, this is a big blessing. But yeah, y'all, I'm about to finish cleaning this bathroom. I'm gonna go on to the next one. I'm at the end of this one. I'll get back with y'all in a few minutes.
A few moments later.
She said, I think somebody left a butt plug on the dresser.
What's that?
That's what it looked like, or a little teeny, or nah.
Something.
Y'all look at and it's just sitting here like, don't even. That's why we needed gloves.
Yeah, that's exactly
You don't
what.
want to touch that.
Right, that's why I had to go get a wrap. What the hell?
That's the reason. Like, why would they just leave that there? I mean, just open, just out there. Like, they ain't give no else when they put that there, y'all. I swear, sit down. Do not get up again.
I think I'm gonna have to go in the car.
What would go sit in the car with them?
Are they distracting you now?
They get on your nerves, not mine. I'm almost done. Look, I told you I got patience. They not bothering me. That Saya won't sit down. Okay, guys, I'm almost done with this bathroom. Then I'm gonna be going on to the next. I'm just drying out the tub because that is very important with cleaning a bathroom, is making sure it's dry. Nobody wants to come home to a wet tub or anything like that. You never let it air dry. You always go over it with the dry cloth and make sure it's dry. That's one tip that I'm giving y'all. Okay? Also, I would love for you guys to comment down below what you guys' motivation is. Y'all morning motivation, y'all weekly motivation, y'all lifelong, long-term, short-term, whatever it is. Y'all comment what motivates y'all the most. What gets y'all morning started? What do you guys do in the morning to kick off your day? Comment down below and y'all give me some answers. Engage with me and talk to me. Okay guys, so I am finished with the first bathroom. As you guys can see, I did do a little mini montage. So now I'm in the second bathroom and I'm gonna give y'all a little mini montage of that too. Okay, hold on. So I just called my homegirl and I told her to come back up here. I was like, I gotta show you something. This how you notice the Airbnb, y'all. Like, look at all this weed on the floor, y'all. Look at all these weed crumbs. And I mean, every part that you see on the floor is a piece of weed, okay? Not lying, except for those leaves. But every dot y'all see is weed. And then right here, I say, bro, this how you notice the Airbnb. I'm over there like, what's the fuck? What's the fuck is this? Like, all I see I leaned down to pick my I think I dropped the top to my soda or something, and I'm like, what the? At first I thought it was mine. At first I thought it fell out my jacket right there, but I'm like, nah, bro, I know I ain't spilled this much. Y'all, when I tell y'all, when I sweep this up, y'all gonna see how much weed it is. I mean, every spot y'all see is fucking weed. It's reefer. What's he fuck? Like, what's he fuck is this? Y'all, I told my friend, I just called her in here. She, look, her reaction gonna be different from mine because she more calm. So she ain't gonna say much. She's gonna be like, girl, what in the world? Right here, baby, right here. They right there. Look, I have recorded it. I said this is another thing. Look at this. Look at this. You see all that? Yeah. You know what it is. I said that's how you know it's an Airbnb. I was on the camera. I said her reaction gonna be different from mine because she calm. She more calm than me. I said, but look at all of this. And look, these were the big pieces right here that I picked up because I thought it was mine. But then when I said this ain't mine, I thought it fell out my coat. Girl, my dumb ass was getting mad because, and that's why I said this looked like the guest bedroom, but it really don't. But y'all, I was so mad. I'm like, bro, how the fuck this bathroom don't got no outlets, but the other one do? In the other bathroom, the outlet is right there, like beside the light, but it's on the opposite side. So I'm getting mad. I'm like, why ain't no plug in here? Like, how I'ma charge my phone? Y'all, look at the plug. It is so bomb. I don't know how I missed it, but I'm going to make sure that when I get mine, I want my plug just like this. Hold on, y'all. Tell me that ain't cute. Tell me that ain't cute, y'all. It's on the mirror. I know y'all probably like, girl, we been seeing that. That's old. Okay guys, so for the most part the bathroom is finished. I just have to do the floors and the toilet, and I cleaned the trash can out, the toilet rolls, all of that. I have to let this water go out of the tub because I'm gonna go over it once more. It was a lot of like small rust spots, so I'm just gonna go over it again to try to get those like rust spots from in between the tiles. And then I gotta mop the floor, put the rug back. I did the sink already. Again in the mirror, as y'all can see. I did the mirror and the sink. Cute, cute. So now y'all see why I said I wanted to bring my own little decorations in here, because if you know, you know. So yeah, so for right now, this is it. Yeah, so I'm about to start in the living room, y'all. Destiny took the kids to go get something to eat right quick from Publix, and she went to get us a little snacky snack too. I just wanted a sub, y'all. But this is the living room. I love that plug on the wall up there too. That's different. But yeah, this is the living room. TV against the wall. So yeah, I'm about to get started.